In this video, I'll show you how to draw a line using absolute coordinates in AutoCAD for accurate and precise drafting. First, start the line command by typing line in the command line or selecting the line tool from the Home tab. When AutoCAD asks for the first point, type the exact x and y coordinates in the format x-y and press enter. This point is measured from the drawing origin at 0, 0. To continue drawing with additional absolute coordinates, type #xy for each new point, and press enter after every coordinate. The hash symbol tells AutoCAD to use absolute coordinates referenced from the origin instead of the previous point. Continue entering as many points as needed, then press enter to finish the command. Using absolute coordinates is ideal for engineering, architectural, and technical drawings where every point must be placed with maximum accuracy. It also helps reduce mistakes when creating precise layouts and complex designs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials, and thanks for watching.